Did you know you can tailor your pop-ups based on who is visiting your website? Whether it's a new visitor or someone who is familiar with your website. That is a returning visitor. And I'll show you how to set this up and create personalized experience using Popper. So let's dive in. So I'm at the Popper's dashboard. So from here, let's go to campaign and invite the demo series. Let's create a new popper of type pop-up and I will type something like visitor type demo, and let's click on choose from templates. I'll choose any random template. Let's choose this. Yeah, here is our pop-up and let's click on next, and we have covered everything till here. So now it's time for audience filtering, and here you can see we have two types of visitors. The first one is new visitor, then we have returning visitors. So if you want to target visitors who are coming to your website for the first time, maybe with some kind of welcome pop-up, or do you want to show first time visitor offer or these kind of stuff, you can use new visitor pop-up. And then we have returning visitor. Returning visitor means the people which are returning to your website. Maybe they are already familiar and they know exactly what your product or what you offer with your website. So you can show them, some kind of discount like welcome back. You are already familiar with our website. So here is our 10% gift for you or something like that. So you can customize according to your campaign and how you are planning your marketing. So first, let's see new visitor. So I will disable this and I'll click on update. So now let's go to our demo site. So right now I am at my demo site. So let's wait for pop-up. Yeah, here is our pop-up and we have viewed the pop-up. So let's click here to close it. And now if I will go to some other page like blog or something like that, I can't see the pop-up because it's for the new visitor. If I will close this tab and I will open my website again from scratch, then let's see what will happen. Yeah, we can't see the pop-up because now our cookie is stored, and now our system knows we are returning visitors and we are not coming to the website for the first time. That's why the pop-up is not displayed to us. So that's how it works. Now let's see how returning visitor work. So for that, what I'll do is I will click on this and I will deactivate this and I'll click on update. So now I'm at my demo site and I can't see the pop-up because I am visiting the website for the first time. And we have enabled it only for the returning visitors. So what if I will open the website again in new tab and will serve the website, then see what happens. I'll copy it. I'll open new tab. And yeah, here is the pop-up. So that's how it works. And the cookies are stored for around 365 days. So for as long as the user hasn't cleared his cache, our system will recognize it as a returning visitor and a person who already is familiar with your website. So it's really beneficial according to your use case. So yeah, you should use it for your visitors, returning visitors, and you can segregate the gift vouchers or offers depending on what type of visitor they are. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.